Let's take a look at the brand new Red Reader V2 from PDK. The PDK Red Reader V2 is a new and improved take on the traditional Red Reader by ProdataKey. It features faster processing capabilities, improved reading functionality, an easier-to-install body and sturdy chassis, and compatibility with all varieties of PDK credentials. This includes high security, prox, Bluetooth, PIN, and mobile credentials. The Red Reader V2 comes in 4 form factors: mullion, mullion with keypad, single gang, and single gang with keypad. Each design is sleek and modern, appropriate for installation in a wide variety of environments and verticals. The Red Reader V2 supports the same weatherproofing as its predecessors, meaning that they are outdoor rated at IP65 and tolerant of extreme temperatures, from as cold as -31 Fahrenheit to a blazing 150 degrees Fahrenheit. As with all high-security readers, the Red Reader V2 supports OSDP communications for secure encrypted communication between the reader and controller. This also means that the controller can communicate with the reader, pushing out important firmware updates as necessary. Elevate your reader functionality and feature set with the new Red Reader V2 by PDK. Order your Red Reader V2 today from your preferred distribution partner to get started.